still exist actually. We couldn't able to create the customer and all. So tomorrow they rectify. So today we can see the topic without handling. So fiscal inventory. Fiscal inventory. Can you able to see the screen? Can you able to see the screen?
Yeah.
Fiscal inventory. Fiscal is the process. In system, the stock will show like 100 stock we have. But if we go and count physically, the stocks, something will be missing. So periodically we will do this activity. So there are a lot of things. So periodically, some materials may get stored or get damaged and all. Periodically we have to. All the companies will do their activity. So when they will do at the time of plant maintenance. When you're plant in plant maintenance, there won't be any inward delivery or outbound delivery. So this is the thing we have to do. Second, the process of determining the inventory quantities are exact, or if there is a difference in quantity mentioned physically present, and that mentioned in SAP system. Basically, after finishing with physical activity, we have to update the system. So these are the things we have to do. So let's take a old stock. Already we have a stock, we can take that stock. So to see the stock, MM60 to view all the stocks. Is it visible or shall I make it big? Small, no? So MM60. 01 and S0. 3D type. So let us take this stock 1044. We take the stock MMB. Don't have stock here. So we have 200 stock here. So there is a consignment stock. So we'll update the stock. So here, if you come and see, here there is no stock. No stock. How to initially update this stock? How will your stock get updated in plant? A basic question. So we have new stock. How it will get updated? So if you see the stock here, so no stock is there. So we don't have any stock for this steel pipe. In order. So no order. We haven't ordered. We haven't done anything. So how to initially update the stock? Subhashini, these are the basic questions they will ask in interview.
Can you repeat those questions, Arul? And can you share the document that you just showed?
We don't have any stock here. So how it will get updated normally? Normally, I don't have any stock. What I will do if I don't have any stock? What I will do? If you want to purchase, what you will do? I will raise a purchase order.
Right, Arul?
Correct. Tell me.
Yeah, can you share the document?
This is general question. Nothing is there in the document.
Oh, these are the okay. These are the codes that we are going to use it to create all of these.
Fiscal inventory. For fiscal, if you want to do fiscal inventory, these are the steps we have to do.
That is what I'm asking. This have you shared it in WhatsApp for us?
Yeah, yesterday itself I shared. Please check it.
Oh, really? Okay.
Physical inventory, you can see. It's a small topic. Can you see? Yesterday I sent you.
Yeah,
So,
I did, yeah.
if you want to update the, so stock is, there is no stock for steel pipe. If you want to add any stock, if you want to, what we will do, normally we will do the purchase order. Purchase order, I will request the vendor to supply the steel pipe. Steel pipe, this much quantity, we will make the PO for PO. So this is for raw materials. Okay? Raw materials, we will update here. So to update the stock. Finished goods. So we want to update the finished goods in factory, in plant. Okay, daily the finished products will be coming out from the factory. Okay? Finished products coming from finished products. Daily they will manufacture. Suppose if we take any car company, Hyundai company, they manufacture like 8 car. 8 car daily they'll manufacture like 5 cars per day. So how will you update in the finished goods stock? So we have to also maintain this. So finished goods, till yesterday we had closing balance. Balance we have. So balance yesterday balance. Okay, yesterday balance 17.4. Okay, 17.4. I had a stock like cars. I had a stock in hand. Today 18. They manufactured 5 cars, 5 more cars. How will you in this case? In this case, how will you stock update here? We will use the T code like. You have to initially update the stock. For finished goods, they will update the stock like this. So in me go receipt others receipt and you have to go to others and movement type. Movement type is one to initially update the stock. In finished products, they will update like this. So currently we have no stock. So if I make the purchase order, I have to do delivery and all. I have to go GRN and everything I have to do. So what I am going to do is I am going to initially update this stock without PO and all. So like this is the stock. You want to add stock here without using PO. Normally they will do this process for finished goods. It will take time, so that's why I'm doing like this. Go to MIGO. I want to stock initially goods receipt, goods receipt others. Here you have to take the movement type 561. You have to take 561. You have to take. So for finished goods, they will do like this. For finished goods, so they can't make a P on for the finished goods. Okay, receipt per initial entry of stock balance into unrestricted use. Okay? So what I do, I will
Arun,
update. Tell me.
from which step are we doing?
From which?
Because I know you cannot create material because you said it's still not working, right?
I took one material, existing material. I already took one existing material, but we don't have stock here. So I
So
want
you're
to.
adding up the stock right now, and then you will do all this other steps.
Oh yes, yes, sir. Initially, I want to do stock. No, there is no stock.
Okay, so first you do the stocks, the initial stock. Is that the step that you will do after this?
No, no, just we don't have stock. Okay? That's why I'm going to create one 100 stock, and I will going to check it physically.
Oh, so after that we are going to start the physical inventory process, right?
Will be here in real time. All the stocks will be in real time. So currently, I don't have stock. Okay? I can check the physically. Okay? So I am going to update the stock, initial stock. So that's
Yeah,
why.
I got that. I got that. That's what you're doing right now. But after that, you will do, you will put all the T codes that you send for the physical inventory and do all the process, right?
Yes, I have to have the material now. Then only I can check if there is no material. So nothing. So some error also here.
So we cannot do.
No, I thought We can do some other things like this one. Nothing is coming here actually.
Oh, okay. So, are we proceeding or what?
I can't do it now. So let me take another. I will check whether we have any stock other in other things. Once again. So here no stock. I'll check there no stock. All the nitrogen gas, steel pipe, raw material. So here under stock. So I take this. Okay, so we have under stock. Now I am going to check this stock. Okay, physically I am going to count this stock. I want to see whether the same thing 100 quantity is there physically or not. Okay? The first
The T code for stock overview.
Stock over is 0. If you want to see all the
Yeah. What is the T code? What is the T code for that?
MM60 to view all the materials in our plant.
Okay.
To check the stock quantity. MMBE.
MM?
BE. Sorry, type it.
Oh.
MMBE. To check the stock. To check all the vendor. MKVZ. To check all the vendors in our. What I will do? The first criteria is if you want to do physical inventory activity, this should be enabled. So this what we already did that. We already did that in enterprise structure. So come to material management. Here inventory. So if you are going to do any inventory management, if you are going to do any move anything, or if you want to do any physical inventory, physical count, our plant parameters should be like this. Plant parameters should be already given. So already given. So when you are moving the goods, so under this plant parameters only, we will do this goods movement activity. Another thing, physical inventory. If we want to do any physical inventory thing, plant parameters should be in this condition. Plant maintenance people will do all these configurations. So this is thing. We have physical inventory. We already enabled this. So first step, here logically it will come. So logically we will first initial stock, check the material, create of inventory document. So we have to go to this T code, M01. Here logistics, under logistics, material management. Here you can find physical inventory. The first thing, physical inventory document. First we have to create one document. Before going to count it physically, we have to create one document for the materials we are going to count. So storage location, same. So here what you have to do, you have to post the blocking. So now when you are doing the inventory count, physical inventory count, material should, all the posting you should block. So nothing should go out, nothing should come in. So post all the, block all the postings regarding this material. So go, enter for which material we want to take count, this material, 1037. This material, enter and you can post it. So physical inventory document created. Real time, they will be doing this. Periodically they do it. Okay? Depends upon the client, okay? Plant and all. So second thing, we have to take the printout for this document. Second step, we have to inventory document printing M120. So you have to print, okay? Print this document. Now you can't print, we can just we not have this earlier. Nothing. So output device LP01. All output device will be always LP01 by default. So you can print preview. So this is the document we will take. When we go to the storage, plant storage location, we take this document. We will mention what are the items we are going to count physically. So right now, we have to count material. Real time, they will take all the materials. All the materials. So second thing, we have to take the printout. Third thing, we have to go and count it. Count it. So physical inventory count. After that, we have to do this activity. So inventory count. Inventory count. We have to count it. One m 0. So just execute it. So now I'm going and counting. Here in my system, it shows 100 quantity, but when I count it physically, I call in storage only 90 quantities are there. In my system, it's showing 100, but when I count that physically, only 90 pieces it's showing me. So posted. After posting this, what you have to do? After posting this 104, verify the inventory. Verify the inventory MI 20. MI difference list. So we have to update the difference list. So material 1037. So here book quantity how much 100, counted quantity 90. So difference, what is the difference? 1000 rupees material price. 10 quantity is missing. So what do you know? Account this one. Okay, what this particular error showing us? We already encountered the same type of error when you are doing the taxation. So if you find anything account required account assignment to the cost accounting, so immediately you have to go to the T code OKB9 OKB9. Then you have to new entries. Company code ZJ01 for which GL account it is asking. Again, it's a cost element. Cost element is nothing but GL. So 50 to 5,000 to 100,000. So we already created one cost center. Company code. Assign this cost center. It is get posted. Difference is posted. Again, we have to recount. Recount some. Maybe it may go to the quality department or checking, or it will be in some other production unit. Without noticing, I have to check all the departments whether. So with this raw material, there will be in production planning, there will be lot of operations will be going on with this material. I have to check all the departments whether it is in any other processing that 10 missing quantity, whether it is in some other department or I have to search it again. It again. So change. Change. Okay. So when I counted, what is it? So difference again, you can change it. You can change it. Change inventory. Still you can change it. I think some other not showing any message. I don't know. If you're not, if it is default, if it is del dot, what you have to do, you check. Okay, If any other user using also, it will happen. So go to the T code SM12. So you can remove all the users who are using this particular table. So if you don't know which user is using this table, you can go to MI12 and remove our username and go for search. So these are the people who are currently using this particular table. You select all. You give select all and you delete all. So go to the in change mode only this there. I have to check this. Actually, we can alter. Okay? Processing already in change only. Not display. Now go to change mode. Change mode. So here we will what we will do. We will again we recount and we can post like 95 quantities we got. Okay? Can't do anything. No change data. What is it? You have to post it, recount it. So sorry, this step I recounted, posted. Okay, after this only I have to post. Before that I posted it. Okay? So now we are go to list again. So after recount only I have to post. I posted early. Recount so difference. Okay? This thing after that only we have to post it after recounting. Okay, difference. So I have to take one more list. Okay, to update this into the system. Two four. MI24. MI24. It will be here only. To T4. Physical inventory list for this document. So counted, adjusted. After recount, we have to post. Before recounting, I posted it. That's the problem. So posted. So if you come and check the quantity, come and check the quantity. So now it will be 90. So periodically, we have to update whether the quantity showing in the system and the physical quantity in the storage location are same. So this is a small topic. Small topic. So tomorrow, can we have a class, one class? Tomorrow, what I'll do, I will take some big topic, not big topic, some important topic. We'll do 1 hour. Raymond, is it tomorrow? It's okay for you?
Tomorrow I can't participate, Arul.
Okay, no problem. Because yesterday we didn't add class now. To compensate that, I plan to
Yeah,
do
yeah, we can do it, no problem. Just
Monday, no?
record it and no problem for me.
Not we can attend. So, Subhashini, tomorrow we can just leave it. The server is also not got ready. So we can have the class on Monday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, no? So practice it. If you have any doubt, you can. So currently you do this process.
But how, Arul, you're saying the server is not working. How can we even
So
do that,
physical,
right?
I couldn't able to create a vendor. I couldn't able to create a material. So I took already existing material. So I'll tell you how we will update. Okay? I'll show you how we will update the stock. Okay? So in this, okay, from this. So that also I couldn't do. Otherwise you can stop. So you can again you can take the same material and you can practice. You can take the same material and you can do all the things. Okay? When you are counting, just put that figures, okay? 82 or 80, 85. So this is how it
Okay.
will. Okay. So I'll update you once the system gets ready, server.
By Monday it'll be ready, no?
Tomorrow itself it will be ready.
Okay.
Because this issue is going for the past 2 days.
Okay, okay.
Same issue is going on. I asked the
Sure.
vendor to replace the server. Okay. I'll update you once server got ready.
Sure.
The service is working, so some activities you can't do. You can take
Okay.
the same material, you can practice. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Arul.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Nice weekend. Good weekend. Nice weekend.